guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I thought we could sit down and do some swatches on this beautiful Oden'S Alva 2 eyeshadow palette. I got this last week from Depop, and it just looks like a really beautiful palette. So that's what it looks like. It's got really nice, like it's almost textured in places, so it's got really nice packaging, and then inside it looks like that. Now don't get me wrong, the colour story looks absolutely beautiful, and you do get a lot, so you're getting what, 4, 8, 12, 16 eyeshadows, so there's a lot of versatility there from what I can see. I haven't swatched any. I think I might have swatched this green just to see how it was, but other than that I haven't swatched any. But I like my pan sizes a little bit bigger than this. That's the only downside I can see without actually swatching them, but the swatches could absolutely change my mind. So what we're going to do now then is I'm going to lift this colour saver up, and we're going to go into the shades. So we're going to start off with Apricot, which is that one there. Your fingers just about fit in. The very pigmented. Oh, that is so smooth. Look at that. So smooth. Then we're going to go in with Crystal. That one feels a little bit powdery in places, but it blends out really nicely. That one would make her really good in a corner highlight or a brow bone highlight. Then Aquamarine. Really pigmented. So far I'm loving these mattes. That would, sorry, just 1 minute. Right, let's get back to it. So the next one then would be Blue Bubble. It's quite nice. Not normally a blue I would go for. It is a little bit powdery, but I've got kind of texture here, so it's not showing it up as much. I'm hoping that when I actually use the palette, these shades will show up a lot better. Then we've got this glitter here called Pop Rocks. I think I swatched this one as well when I got it. It's pretty. Definitely need a glitter glue with that. Trying to show you it as best as I can. So that's that one. Then we've got what looks like a really bright orange. I think this would look good as a base, and then that glitter all over the top of it. Oh my gosh. Look how bright it is. So blend that out in the transition. Put that all over the lids and into the crease, and then put this on. Really nice that would look. Then we've got Green Elves. Pretty. I'm going to do another swatch of that. How pretty is that? And then we've got Blue Pea Foul. These mattes just feel so smooth. Right, going off first impressions, I would definitely say the mattes are better than the shimmers, and I have been noticing that with a lot of Colourpop as well. I'm not trying to compare this palette to Colourpop's, but I'm just giving you my overall thoughts as we're going through the swatches. Third row, Peach Juice. Again, really bright. I'd love to do like a rainbow look with these bright shades. Maybe I'll wait till summer to do that, or spring. Or can you rock a bright eyeshadow look in winter? Leave me your thoughts down below. The next one is another glitter called Pink Star, and a lot of people won't like it because of these glitters. Oh my gosh, this is nice. So that's the glitter there, and I bet that one would look good over the top of that one as well. Then we've got green tea. Another bright matte, so them two are going to look really, really good together. Then we've got sapphire, which is a shimmer. It's quite nice. So that one's sapphire. And then we're moving on to the last row. So first up is coffee. It's nice that they put this brown in. You need a good brown or a black in a palette, I think. So that's coffee. Then we have copper red. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. That is stunning. I won't know which shades to use first in this palette. Then we've got Forest Dream. This one feels like it might be nice. That's the kind of blue I'd probably like to use more than this blue bubble up at the top. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And then it looks like we've got another glitter called Deep Sea. It's not a glitter, it's something different. It's a shimmer. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks like it's a shimmer but with glitters in it. It's thicker consistency to the rest of the shimmers, and that's why I thought it was a glitter. And I was just about to whinge saying it's a beautiful palette, it swatches beautifully, but I wish they didn't have as much. Phew. So the card filled up and I thought it hadn't filmed any of what we'd just gone through, all the swatches and whatnot, and we got to this one and obviously you saw that on camera and then it kind of cut out. So what I was actually saying is I thought this was a glitter. It's not. It's a more thicker shimmer with specks of glitter in it. I'll bring it towards the camera and maybe you can see it on camera, but it's that one. I'll also insert a clip of it. Because you guys have been telling me you like the clips where I insert footage in so you can see it a bit clearer, which is understandable. I like to watch things like that as well, so I'm going to try and do that more on the channel. The palette itself I absolutely love. I love this copper red shade here. It is so pigmented. I like them all. I love the mattes, guys. The mattes is what sells this palette. If I had to say anything on first impressions, the mattes definitely sell this palette. The shimmers, I wouldn't say are lackluster. I've swatched palettes that have lackluster shimmers in, like the BH Cosmetics Mrs. Claus Christmas palette that they brought out this year. That one just looks terrible. I do want to use that palette though and just see how terrible it is, so I might do a look with it really soon on the channel. I know Christmas has passed, but it'd be nice to see if I'm right or wrong about the pigmentation of that particular palette. This palette though looks really, really pretty. So again, the swatches. This is the palette. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use it. When will I be using it? I don't know, guys. I'll obviously put a poll up and you can decide when you want me to use it. I don't think that's going to be going up this week. There's 2 more looks I've got to do with the Mint to Be palette. Then I might refresh my Shop My Stash basket. I'm calling it a basket now. It's kind of drawers. So when did I last do my Shop My Stash? it was over a week ago, I know that. By the time I've used the Mint to Be palette, it's probably going to be 2 weeks. And while I'm not working, I can do it every 2 weeks or every week, depending on how much I pull in regards to palettes. So I just want to let you know as I'm filming this video. Where are you? Right, so we filmed this on the 12th of January last. So now then, that's 12 days ago because we're on the 24th. So it's 12 days ago. So by the time I'm able to film another one, Shop My Stash, it'll be 2 weeks. The way I'm thinking at the moment, guys, I think I'm going to leave it at least 2 weeks. I used to do that ages ago. It just takes so long to edit these Shop My Stash videos. Because obviously I'm giving you the review. I don't want to do them weekly anymore. Not at the moment anyway. And it gives me a chance to use the products a lot more if I have them in fortnightly. When I go back to work, it'll probably be monthly again. Anyway, we're not talking about that. We're talking about this beauty. It looks absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use it, and that's what the front cover looks like. Absolutely stunning. So we're going to put this away now, and I'm going to do another swatch video, I think, on my BH Cosmetics palettes that I've got. I think there's 2 that I've not swatched for you guys, so they're going to go up after this one. I've not done swatch videos for a while now, so I just thought I would get a few on the channel so you can see what I've got, and when it comes to actually me doing pulls on things, you'll know what the eyeshadows look like so you can decide them. Anyway guys, we're going to leave this one here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.